let's practice using the word glad, which means happy, just another word for happy. So we'll say Ali, that's the boy, his name is Ali. Ali is angry. Ali is angry. That's our sentence. He is angry, or he's angry. He's angry. How will you make a basic yes-no question with this sentence? He is angry. Is he? Is he angry? Listen to how this sounds in spoken English. Is he? Is he angry? Is he angry? Let's say angry no, glad yes. No, he is not angry. No, he's not angry. No, he's not angry. No, he's not angry. No, he isn't angry. No, he isn't angry. Glad. He is glad. He's glad. No, he isn't angry. He's glad. No, he isn't angry. He's glad. Glad is another word for happy. Let's try another example. Oh, we were supposed to make a how question. Okay, well, let's see. There's another example here. Oh, I messed that one up. Here's another sentence. Remind me to make a how question with this. So, Ali is upset. Upset. Upset is similar to not happy or maybe nervous. It's a negative feeling. Ali is upset. He is upset. He's upset. He's upset. That means having bad feelings, anger, nervous, something like that. He is upset. He's upset. How will you make a basic yes-no question with that sentence? Is he? Is he? Is he upset? Is he upset? Let's answer no. No, he is not. No, he's not. No, he's not. No, he isn't. No, he isn't upset. No, he isn't upset. Now, how would you make a how question? You know, like if you say, how are you? Well, what would you say? Meaning, tell me, are you feeling happy? Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling okay? Let's do that about Ali. Let's make a how he question. How is he? How is he? How is he? How is he? And what is another word for happy? Glad. He's glad. He's glad. He isn't upset. He's glad. He's not upset. He's glad. All right, let's move on to the next frame here. Oh, I forgot to put the word glad up here. That's glad. Okay, let me see if I can remember to do this the right way. Okay. Now we have the next frame.